Spending way too much time cooking, cleaning, and dealing with kitchen mess? It's time to work smarter, not harder. These Amazon kitchen gadgets are designed to speed things up, cut down the effort, and give you back hours every single week. You'll find all the product links waiting in the description below. Tired of uneven seasoning or fumbling with manual grinders? This electric salt and pepper set takes the guesswork out of cooking. With 5 adjustable coarseness levels, one-hand operation, and a built-in LED light, it ensures precise seasoning every time, even in dim kitchens or at night. Durable ceramic blades deliver smooth grinding, while the large transparent containers mean fewer refills. Stylish, practical, and perfect for anyone who loves effortless cooking. Slicing onions without tears just got easier. This stainless steel holder keeps onions, tomatoes, lemons, and even meat steady while you cut. 10 sharp forks hold your food securely, giving you perfect, even slices every time. The wide handle is comfortable and slip-resistant, making chopping faster and safer. Lightweight, durable, and easy to clean. It's a simple tool that makes meal prep smooth and stress-free. Meet your new kitchen helper. This private robot chef can cook complete meals with zero maintenance and dishwasher-safe parts. Just load the pan, containers, and spice pods, and it handles everything from stir-fries to noodles with precision. The BPA-free, non-toxic containers and PFOA-free pan keep food safe, while the smart system comes preloaded with 50 recipes and room to add your own. Cooking has never been this effortless, fun, or futuristic. Protect your countertops with a touch of fun. This wooden trivet set unfolds like a little Christmas tree every time you use it. Each piece holds hot pots, pans, bowls, or teapots safely, while adding a natural, rustic look to your table. Made from durable walnut wood, the trivets develop unique patterns over time, capturing memories of meals. Compact, clever, and a charming gift, they're as practical as they are beautiful. Craving fresh pasta without the mess? This electric pasta maker does it all automatically. Just add flour and water, select one of 4 modes, and watch it knead and shape noodles in minutes. With 8 molds, you can create different pasta shapes for dinner or a special treat. Easy to clean, dishwasher-safe parts, and included tools make homemade noodles simple, fast, and fun, even if you're a beginner. Cooking indoors shouldn't mean smoky air or lingering odors. This portable countertop range hood clears smoke, grease, and smells fast. Just plug it in, no ducts or installation needed, and choose from 3 fan speeds for light cooking or heavy indoor BBQs. The triple-layer filter and built-in oil collector keep your kitchen clean, while LED lights brighten your prep area. Compact, quiet, and easy to move. It's perfect for apartments, RVs, or small kitchens. Struggling to scoop hard ice cream? This heated electric scooper glides through frozen treats effortlessly. Just grip the handle and it warms up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, making every scoop smooth, even straight from the freezer. Ergonomic, lightweight, and safe for kids or seniors, it reduces strain on hands and wrists. USB rechargeable, waterproof, and with an LED display for temperature and battery. It's perfect for ice cream, gelato, or frozen yogurt anytime. Want ice cubes and a drink in one go? This 2-in-1 ice cube bottle makes it easy. Fill, freeze, and press to release cubes instantly, then sip through the built-in straw. Made from flexible, food-safe silicone, it's easy to clean and durable for daily use. Perfect for cocktails, coffee, or chilled water at home, the office, or outdoors. Ice and refreshment wherever you go. Chopping garlic or veggies just got effortless. This mini electric food chopper handles garlic, nuts, vegetables, and even meat in seconds. Just load, lock, and press the button. Hands-free chopping saves you time and energy. USB rechargeable and portable. It's perfect for home, camping, or outdoor meals. Detachable, easy-to-clean parts make cleanup a breeze, so you can focus on cooking, not scrubbing. Tired of store-bought peanut butter that's full of additives? This electric nut grinder lets you make fresh, creamy spreads right at home. Just add peanuts, almonds, or cashews, press a button, and watch it turn them into smooth butter in minutes. The anti-slip base keeps it steady, while the funnel-shaped container ensures even grinding without waste. Easy to clean and perfect for adding your favorite flavors, it's a simple way to enjoy healthier, homemade treats. Craving soft serve without leaving home? This ice cream maker lets you scoop or swirl your favorite frozen treats in minutes. With 13 one-touch programs, you can make ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, or frozen yogurt. Exactly how you like it. Add mix-ins like chocolate, nuts, or fruit for extra fun. Easy-to-clean pints and parts make dessert prep simple, so you can enjoy creamy, customized treats anytime. Ever wish measuring ingredients was faster and more accurate? This digital measuring spoon does it all in one scoop. It weighs solids and liquids up to 800 grams with a 1-gram precision, so your recipes turn out perfect every time. Switch between grams, ounces, cups, or milliliters with a single button. Lightweight, easy to clean, and compact, it makes cooking or baking simple and precise. Tired of lifting heavy beverage bottles? This automatic drink dispenser does it for you. Just attach it to any non-carbonated jug, press your cup to the trigger, and pour hands-free. No spills, drips, or overflow, so kids can use it safely too. Battery-powered and easy to clean, it's perfect for milk, juice, or lemonade, making every meal or party simple and mess-free. Tired of stale cereal or messy snacks? This dual dry food dispenser keeps everything fresh and ready to eat. Each airtight container holds 17.5 ounces and dispenses just the right amount with a simple twist. Perfect for cereal, grains, nuts, or even dog food, it reduces waste and keeps counters clean. Clear canisters let you see what's left, and the sturdy, scratch-resistant design makes it easy to refill and use every day. Peeling grapes and cherry tomatoes just got effortless. This automatic electric peeler tackles small fruits and garlic in about 20 seconds with just one button. It keeps the fruit intact while removing skins cleanly, saving you prep time for salads, sauces, or snacks. The rechargeable design means you can use it anywhere, from home kitchens to picnics. Removable parts make cleanup simple, and the clear chamber lets you watch the peeling magic happen. Movie nights just got a healthy upgrade. This air popcorn maker pops up to 16 cups of fluffy popcorn using hot air, no oil needed. The included measuring cup doubles as a butter warmer, so you get that classic flavor without the mess. Compact and sturdy, it fits on any countertop and stays in place while popping. Easy, fun, and perfect for sharing with family or friends. Ever struggle with clumps in your coffee or protein shake? This self-stirring mug does the work for you. Just double-click the handle and watch it mix your drink evenly in 20 seconds. No more mess or lumps. The handle shows the real-time temperature so you never burn your mouth, while the splash-proof lid keeps spills under control. Made from stainless steel with a comfy grip and rechargeable via USB. It's perfect for home, office, or travel. Turn your kitchen into a cafe with just one button. This fully automatic espresso machine makes everything from espresso to lattes and cappuccinos with ease. The built-in grinder and smart dosing system deliver perfect coffee every time, while the milk frother gives you creamy drinks exactly how you like. The removable bean hopper makes refilling simple, and its durable metal body promises years of reliable use. Quick, effortless, and barista-level delicious at home. Say goodbye to endless chopping and grating. This 5-in-1 electric slicer lets you shred, slice, and grate cheese, veggies, or even fruits with one touch. 5 stainless steel cones handle everything from fine grating to wavy slicing, making salads, soups, or snacks effortless. The safety pusher keeps your hands protected while the powerful motor works quietly and fast. When you're done, all removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Pouring pancake batter shouldn't feel like a guessing game. This precision batter dispenser gives you total control with one easy squeeze. The drip-free valve stops the flow instantly, so your counters stay clean and your pancakes stay perfectly round. Measurement markings on the side help you fill it just right without extra tools. When you're done, the valve pops off for quick cleaning and the lid doubles as a drip tray. Smoothies on the go just got way easier. This portable blender fits in your bag and blends fruits, veggies, or protein shakes in seconds with 4 stainless steel 3D blades. The 7.4-volt motor breaks down pulp quickly while keeping nutrients intact. USB magnetic charging means you can juice anywhere, from the gym to the office, without a cord hassle. Lightweight, durable, and BPA-free. It's your perfect travel companion for healthy drinks anytime. Kitchen chaos ends right here on your wall. This wall-mounted organizer holds your paper towels, plastic wrap, and foil all in one neat spot. Built-in cutters slice cleanly with a simple slide, so you're not fighting with tangled sheets. The removable rod makes swapping rolls quick and easy. It saves drawer space, keeps everything within reach, and turns everyday cooking into a smoother, faster routine. Healthy meals don't have to mean juggling 3 pots at once. This 3-tier electric steamer lets you cook veggies, rice, seafood, and more all at the same time. With 800 watts of power, it creates fast, even steam, so your food cooks quickly and thoroughly. The 60-minute timer keeps things simple, and boil-dry protection shuts it off automatically for safety. When you're done, the trays stack up neatly and go straight into the dishwasher. Stubborn jar lids don't stand a chance anymore. This one-touch electric opener grips the lid, twists 360 degrees, and does all the hard work for you. With high torque power, it easily breaks tight factory seals without straining your hands. The adjustable jaws fit almost any standard jar size, then shut off automatically when the job is done. If you've got weak or sore hands, this little helper makes opening jars feel effortless. Fresh Pasta Night just got an upgrade. This 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set turns your stand mixer into a homemade pasta machine. You can roll smooth sheets with 8 thickness settings, from thick and hearty to thin and delicate. Then switch attachments to cut perfect spaghetti or fettuccine in seconds. Stainless steel rollers keep every strand clean, even, and ready for the pot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.